Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheels Info. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the all-new 2025 Bajaj Maxi Auto Rickshaw. This three-wheeler is a game-changer, blending the classic auto rickshaw design with a more modern, stylish twist. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Bajaj Maxi looks fresh, sleek, and definitely stands out from the usual auto rickshaws we're used to seeing on the streets. It comes with sharp, angular lines that give it a more contemporary feel. The front has a redesigned grille, and the body is more aerodynamic, which not only looks good but also helps with performance. Plus, Bajaj has added LED lights that give it a cool, futuristic vibe, especially at night. Now, let's get into the performance. Under the hood, this Maxi is powered by a more efficient engine that promises better fuel economy and a smoother ride. The 2025 model is also designed to be more stable and handle both city and slightly rougher roads better than before. It's got an upgraded suspension system that makes it comfortable for both the driver and the passengers. Whether you're cruising through busy streets or taking the longer routes, this auto rickshaw feels like a solid ride. And the best part? The price. While the exact number may vary based on location, the 2025 Bajaj Maxi is priced competitively, making it a great choice for both new drivers and business owners looking for an affordable yet high-performance vehicle. All in all, the 2025 Bajaj Maxi Auto Rickshaw is a fantastic mix of style, performance, and affordability. It's definitely something to keep an eye on if you're in the market for a new auto rickshaw. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews right here on Wheels Info.